Module 4, Lesson 16's objective is to apply knowledge of area to determine areas of rooms in a given floor plan. This paper says, Jeremy plans and designs his own dream playground on grid paper. His new playground will cover a total area of 72 square units. The chart shows how much space he gives for each piece of equipment or area. Use the information in the chart to draw and label a possible way Jeremy can plan his playground. I'm going to underline some important details. The new playground will cover a total of 72 square units. Draw and label a possible way Jeremy can plan his playground. Alright, let's take a look at the first item that is listed in the chart. It's a basketball court. A basketball court can take 10 square units on this grid. In order to figure out what that would look like, we need to think about the number 10. The number 10 can be represented either as a 2 by 5 rectangle or a 5 by 2 rectangle. And that's going to be for your basketball court. Now for the jungle gym, that's 9 square units. And the only way, other than doing 1 by 9, which doesn't seem like a very good area for a jungle gym, would be to be 3 by 3. You could do 1 by 10 on the basketball court too, but again, that sure seems like a narrow area. For the slide, you need to think of the number 6, because it's 6 square units. Again, you could have 1 by 6, but it seems like a better area would be either 2 by 3 or 3 by 2. And lastly, the soccer area. That's the largest area on this grid. That takes up 24 square units. Now the soccer area probably wouldn't be 1 by 24. It could be 2 by 12 or 3 by 8 or 4 by 6. Those are all factors that when multiplied together get the answer of 24. We could also reverse the order of the factors and get the same product or answer, and make that 6 by 4, 8 by 3, and 12 by 2. Now when planning out where to put things, you need to remember to leave spaces that cannot overlap. And then when you draw your area, make sure that you label it basketball court, or jungle gym, or slide or soccer area. That way your teacher knows where you're putting each item. Now let's look at the dimensions that are on this grid. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 rows, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 columns. So you can't go and put anything with a dimension that's larger than 10. So let's look at the things we brainstormed over on the side. I see that on the 24 we brainstormed something that was 2 by 12. So we have to cross that one out because it won't fit on this grid. And same with the one at the bottom, 12 by 2. Everything else has less than 10, so we're okay there. Now let me erase those marks. right, now it's time to start thinking where you're going to put each thing. Remember, when you draw those lines for your rectangles, you need to make sure that you label the rectangle so your teacher knows what it is that you're putting there. I'll do one for you. I think I'll go ahead and do the soccer area first. I'm going to try to do a soccer area that is 4 by 6. And so I'll go ahead and put it outfield. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then inside of here, I'll put soccer area. Now, I'm going to leave the other 3 sections up to you. Maybe I've made my soccer area in such a way that it'll need to be erased and I'll have to pick a different area or a different size shape of a rectangle. Right here I chose to put the 4 by 6 design, but maybe I might have to change it to 3 by 8 depending on where other things are put. It's up to you now to finish this. You don't have to use my 4 by 6 area for soccer. It's just that I wanted to show you how to draw the lines and label the boxes. All right, have fun.